In this video, we'll show you the latest way to disable end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. End-to-end encryption keeps your conversations private between you and the recipient, but there may be times when you want to turn this feature off. Here's how. Start by opening your Messenger app. To see if a conversation is encrypted, look for a small lock icon next to the chat. You can also open a chat and look for the message that says, "Messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption." To disable encryption, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of Messenger, then select Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety. If your app version supports it, you'll see an option to turn off end-to-end encryption here. Tap to toggle this setting off. Keep in mind that this setting may not appear on all devices or app versions. If you don't see the encryption toggle, you can still disable encryption by deleting the encrypted chat. Go back to the main chat list, long press the conversation you want to delete, and select Delete. Make sure this is the encrypted conversation you want to remove. Once you delete the chat, you can start a new conversation with that contact, which should no longer be encrypted. To re-enable encryption in a conversation, open the chat, tap the person's name, and scroll down to select Go to Secret Conversation. This will start a new, fully encrypted chat with that contact. And that's how you can disable and re-enable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If you have any questions or additional tips, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.